Hey guys, so today I want to talk a little bit about this chemical that I think is severely underrated. This is something I barely ever hear about, but I think it's like a super useful product. So what I got here is Finisher, which is a peroxide treatment for like rugs and carpets. And I think honestly, it's something that I never really heard about, but it makes the final steps of when you're just done with the car, improves it significantly. So I used to just use the step 2 of this. This is a 3-step treatment. So you start with the stain remover and then you go to a carpet cleaner and then you do the finisher. So I used to just only have the carpet cleaner, but then I went with the stain remover because I was having issues with that. And now I'm going to the finisher as well. So why do I think this product's like underrated? When I was only using the carpet cleaner and stain remover, I noticed that, there wasn't much of a pleasant smell. It wasn't like smelling bad, but the carpet cleaner just smells like oranges and it's not that appealing. So having like a finishing treatment, something that takes any smell out of the carpet, actually has way more impact than you would think. So when I used this for the first time, my car smelled like amazing cinnamon. I don't even know. This thing has literally no smell, but something about, doing the 3 steps just improved the smell of my car so much, and I was really impressed. I'm not a sellout or anything. I was honestly shocked at how good it was. I'm not going to talk about chemicals too much on this channel. I don't have plans to, at least. But I think having some kind of finisher that you always use on a car, regardless of whether it smells really bad or not, is going to improve your return on investment a lot. People are going to be really happy with how it smells in the car and how it looks too. It just refreshes your car up a little bit and adds a total new level of awesome to it. I definitely recommend getting some kind of treatment that you put onto your rugs and seats after you're done with the car. And you just let it sit and it does its thing. It's amazing. It's super easy to use, so it really doesn't take long, but the amount of awesome you get out of it is way too good to pass up. And it's like, this one at least is relatively cheap, but I definitely recommend getting something to give your work that last little bit of oomph that you need, I was doing a good job without this. Trust me, I was doing a good job. Man, when I use this in my own car, I was like impressed at like how awesome the smell was. Like, it was like really delicious. And I didn't use any air freshener or anything. I literally just cleaned the floor mats. That was it. You guys might have actually seen the video. Literally just cleaned the floor mats and they were smelling. I hope you find this tip useful, and maybe you'll pick up the product yourself. You don't have to pick up this exact one, but just something that's kind of like a finisher, or just takes really this one's labeled as a peroxide treatment, so it just takes any smells away from the carpet. You just throw it on and then you're good to go. You don't have to wipe it up, you don't have to vacuum it, nothing. So I've got my carpet here. It's not too dirty, but it's also not like heavily stained or anything. So I'm just going to basically just use a carpet cleaner on it, then I'll use the finisher. And you guys won't be able to really tell the difference because you can't smell anything, but trust me, it does make a big difference. All right, so just cause it's like one real quick, carpet, I just got a simple rug brush here, nothing crazy. Got my finisher here, which just looks honestly like water, and it like probably is 99% water. Start spraying it up. Nothing crazy. Nice light spray. Just get, into the fibers with it. Okay, just got some hairs. I don't know how to remove hairs from a brush. It's probably the #1 mystery I'm trying to solve. Wipe it down now. Normally you have your vacuum for this. Just doing this quick for you guys. So once that's all like taken care of, there's no dirt left on the rug, you can trust me on that one. I'm just gonna take the finisher here, and I got this sick spray head I'm gonna be talking about in a video soon. I love this. You just give it a nice spray around, and that's it. That's literally it. What this does is it kind of like soaks into the fibers a little bit, and encapsulates any of that odor causing bacteria or whatever it is, and just kind of neutralizes it, so it like leaves the car smelling really good, almost like a little bit like cinnamon. I don't know, does poison smell like cinnamon? I don't know if any of you have heard that, but yeah, maybe I should be a little concerned. Yeah guys, I hope you learned a little something today, and have a good day.